In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at the newest mobile controller from GameSir. This is the GameSir G8 Plus MFI. So about a year ago, I reviewed the Bluetooth version of this controller, and it's one of the best Bluetooth controllers you can get, in my opinion. This version of the G8 uses a USB Type-C connection, so there's less latency, and it's made specifically for Apple devices. So you could use it on, an iPhone 15 and up, and you can even use it on the iPad mini. I'm going to be trying out on my iPhone 16 as well as an Android phone that I have and an Android tablet. This has Hall effect sticks with non-magnetic sensors, which basically means no stick drift. It also has Hall effect analog triggers as well. This should be plug and play, so I should be able to just put my phone in here and start gaming right away. It's got a magnetic detachable faceplate, which should allow you to easily swap out buttons and thumbsticks if you want. And it's also got two remappable back buttons. So let's do a quick unboxing here and then try some gameplay. All right, now since this looks identical to the Bluetooth version, I already know I'm gonna like how this feels and how comfortable the ergonomics are. All right, let's get these out of the way. Get this one and then that one as well. This little box probably has the manual and some accessories. I'll take a look at that in a moment. But here's the controller itself. And yeah, it feels just like the Bluetooth controller. Stretches really nice. Definitely fit a small tablet in there. Now let's see what else we get in that little box here. And it looks like we have some extra thumbsticks here. And looks like we have a little manual here. We got a sticker. And we have some, grips for the side of the controller, I guess for different sized phones. And here is the manual, but it looks like it's all in Chinese. So usually these come with manuals with many different languages. This one only comes in Chinese. However, since this is basically plug and play or should be plug and play, I'm not too worried about it. Now what I'm going to do is just pick up the controller and just, click and press all the buttons on the controller so you guys get a feel of, how this controller would feel if you purchased it. And here is a side-by-side comparison of the Bluetooth version of the G8, so which is the black version here on the bottom of the screen. As you can tell, it looks completely the same. It is the same exact controller, except the top one here, the one we're looking at today, has the USB Type-C, and the one on the bottom is Bluetooth only. Now, one more thing before I show some gameplay here, and that is the magnetic faceplate. So you can pop off the faceplate really easy. This is going to allow you to be able to change the thumbsticks if you want, and the buttons as well. And now I'm just going to pop this back on. Nice and easy. So I got my iPhone 16 Pro here, and I'm going to attach this and then try to play some Fortnite. And you can use the GameSir app here to let you, test the joystick and trigger calibration. You're just going to choose the G8 right there. Oh, nope. There you go. Hit test. And then here you can see you can test the calibration. That looks good. So everything looks good here. All right, now I'm going to try some emulation on this. Here's PPSSPP, the PSP emulator. Here's God of War. Besides my iPhone, I did want to try this on a few other devices. Here I'm using it on my old Samsung Galaxy S21 phone, and it worked perfectly, just plug and play, no setup needed. Here I am using the Redream emulator to play Dolphin Blue. I don't have an iPad mini to try this out on, but I do have a small Android tablet here. This is the Alldocube iPlay 60 Mini Turbo. This is a really great budget Android tablet. They did recently upgrade it to the iPlay 70 Mini Ultra. I haven't had a chance to get that tablet yet, but these tablets are great, great for gaming, and as you can see, this controller works great on tablets as well. So the GameSir G8 Plus MFI is a great choice if you are looking to get a mobile controller for an iPhone or an Android phone too. This is probably the most comfortable controller I've ever used. It just works as soon as you plug it in. There's zero setup needed. If you want to check it out, I'll leave links in the description below. But let me know what controller you like to use for your phone or tablet. That's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.